Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Les with another video. I want to say thank you always to all my new subscribers. People, check out this video today. God is working miracles with me. This plane, I built this plane. I'm going to show you guys how to build this plane. And today was the day that this video came out so good with this plane. Look how fast he's flying. This is not fast forward, people. This is me going crazy trying to catch this plane because it's so fast. So turn on your push notification, people, and please subscribe to the channel because I'm going to show you guys how to make this plane. This is not the same plane as my other video. This is a different build, and this plane only flies like this, people, because I'm in a high building. Don't think in the streets this plane's gonna fly like this. No. And you got to learn how to adjust the wings in order for these planes to fly, people, because I tried so many planes and it's hard to make them fly, people. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this exact airplane paper. Subscribe to the channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Peace.